Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Discord. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will write the name of this application of Discord. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.